is January 6, 2014. It is 10:58 a.m. calling Donna Quandt, Polk County Auditor Treasurer.
Auditor Treasurer, this is Jamie.
Hi, how are you doing today?
Good, how are you?
Well, I'm doing super. Can't complain on a frigid day like today.
Staying warm, huh?
Exactly.
Good, good.
Say, is Donna around?
I believe she is. Can you hold on just 1 second?
Sure, thank you.
Can I tell her who's calling?
This is Terry Nemmers.
Okay, hold on just 1 second.
Thank you.
Yep. This is Donna. Can I help you?
Donna, this is Terry Nemmers.
Hi, Terry.
You lied to me.
I lied to you?
Yes, I told you I wanted you to send me a letter, signed, and you didn't do that.
I sent you an email, responded to your email.
Okay, I said I wanted it in writing and I wanted your signature on it.
Okay, I'll print it out and I'll scan it back into you. Is that all right?
Okay, Donna,
Mm-hmm.
the problem is, in your email you said that you were going to tell the auditors, the state auditors department, that I filed a complaint. See, you told me that you were going to report it, not say that I reported it. See?
Well, let me see what I wrote to you. You're the one that's asking for it?
Well, the thing is, you're the one who is willfully refusing to see it. So that's the situation. So well, let's ask it again. Do you see misuse of public funds?
No, I do not.
Okay.
But
Well,
I am not an attorney.
okay, Donna. Then what I need to have you do is to spell out what I have alleged, and that you willfully refuse to see that misuse of public funds, even though Bruce Obenlund specifically states on the public record that it is a conflict of interest for him to represent Kyle Thompson, Glenwood City Council member, because Mr. Obenlund is the city attorney. And it's also a matter of the public record that Neil Nelson is the assistant city attorney and the Polk County attorney. See, that's all a matter of the public record, and you willfully refuse to see that. That's what I need to have you put in this letter, Donna.
Okay, what I would like you to do is email me your request. Then I will have something to respond to in all those areas.
Well, Donna, you already know what I have said because I've put our conversation up on YouTube. You can listen to it at your leisure. The first conversation, which we had on Friday, is up at Lion News. It's called Lion News, Can Polk County Auditor Quandt Be Trusted to Report Attorney Nelson to State Auditor? And that was uploaded on January 3rd, 2014. And our original conversation is up there as Lion News, Polk County Auditor, and Auditor Quandt and Attorney Neil Nelson equals conspiracy to misuse public funds, question mark? See? So they're both
They
up
don't go
there.
on there. I'm sorry. That's not something I would be looking at. So,
Really? Well, actually, I already emailed you the one conversation we had on December 12th.
That's okay, but I do not plan on going on that website. If you send me what you want me to respond to, I will respond to it, and I will send a copy to the state auditor's office.
Well, Donna, I've already spoken to you about it. You know exactly what I've said. It's a matter of the public record. And also, I need to have you include in your letter how much time you spent making your decision that, investigating this thing. Because obviously you spent about 30 seconds on it, as soon as you heard Neil Nelson's voice and misuse of public funds, you automatically determined that nothing can be wrong because you heard his name. See? But it appears that you spent an enormous amount of time conspiring with Neil Nelson, Jim Thurine, Tim Riley, County Attorney Neil Nelson, County Coordinator Jim Thurine, Polk County Sheriff Tim Riley, County Commissioner Cody Rogan, Polk County Commissioner Gloria Wagner, County Commissioner Larry Linder, and County Commissioner Paul Gertie, because you carbon copied those people in this email that you sent me on January 3rd. What do these people have to do with my data request? Or me asking for this investigation into misuse of public funds?
I just forwarded the letter from Jim Serene with their name. That was all on there.
Okay, so then why was Jim Thureen carbon copying it to all those people? I mean, is this is your the little coffee clatch there that you just share emails with just for the sake of sharing emails, or are these the people you're conspiring with to cover up this misuse of public funds? Because what's this got to do with anything? I mean, if this is misuse of public funds, why would you notify Neil Nelson, who is the subject of the complaint of misuse of public funds? Huh, Donna? I'm just trying to figure this out. You have no explanation?
It doesn't matter what my explanation is. You will turn it around. So.
Oh, I'm just asking for your why would you do that?
I was responding to what you wanted me to put in writing, and I sent it to you. And I forwarded what was sent before.
But you forwarded it to all sorts of people who have nothing to do with this conversation. Unless you are reporting it to the county commissioners and demanding that they call for an outside investigation. Is that what you're doing, Donna? Because this would be considered a personnel complaint, right? Misuse of public funds. I think that should be grounds for an investigation. Are you going to talk to the county commissioners? Because they don't seem to like to listen to me. They just lawyer up around me.
Okay. What I told you, and even when I emailed you, I said the same thing. The state auditors will be here on the 27th to begin our audit, and I would give them that information that you've requested.
Well, again, Donna, I need to have you...
I have that in writing to you.
I need to have you spell that out, that, how much of an investigation you've done. You've willfully ignored the public record. You willfully ignored clear, precise, and unquestionable evidence. And you spent an inordinate amount of time manufacturing a fraudulent bill to send to me, and that's what you did. You had Jim Thureen send me this fraudulent bill, right? For this, let's see, what was Jim talking about here? Oh, in accordance with the above referenced law and policy, because, Polk County is all about following the law and policy, right? Polk County will require payment of $116.24 prior to providing access to the data requested. That's the information that I was asking, doing my own investigation into the finances of Polk County, which obviously Polk County doesn't like, so they're going to sock me with $116.24. Now, seeing how this information comes from your office, Donna, according to the law, you are required to provide me with an itemized bill. Okay, so that means I need to know who compiled this information, what their rate of pay was, how much time they expended on this. See? So, and then because I don't trust the Polk County officials as far as I can throw them, I'm going to need the salaries for both the auditor's office and the coordinator's office to make sure that you aren't trying to rip me off by overcharging me. See, because it's supposed to be the lowest waged person who's supposed to be doing this. See, and you just sent me just a blank, an unitemized bill. Of course, you'd have to have rocks in your head to pay an unitemized bill, especially to a county that has a known perjurer as a sheriff and a county attorney who rigs court cases, and an auditor who lies to you. See? So that's why, Donna, I need to have all that information, which I've spelled out for you. You should be taking notes, or you're recording this call. Which one, I don't care. See, that's what I want in this letter that you will write up, you will sign, and send to me. Are we clear?
I understand what you said, yes.
Good. So then you're going to get right on that then?
All of the itemization was sent down to Jim Thureen, and he is the one that sent the letter out.
Well, see...
And it actually has the salary, the dollar amount, and the hours worked.
Well, geez, Donna, if that was the situation, why is Jim Thureen withholding that information from me? Because Jim Thureen should know the law and the policy, shouldn't he? What's he trying to do? Huh, Donna? Maybe you should, toddle down there and ask him that. Seeing how he's not there on Fridays, he's there today, or he should be there today, so you can find that out for me. Because, obviously when you stuck me on hold for that 12 minutes, when you claimed that you were trying to transfer me down there, you could have called Jim at home and found out this information out for me, right? See?
I do apologize for I did transfer you, and it did not go, and that I apologize for.
Well, see, the thing is, Donna, I don't trust you as far as I can throw you. You've lied to me. You're trying to, make me feel like I'm stupid. Donna, I'm a highly intelligent person. I know the difference between up and down. And you're trying to convince me down is up. And that's not going to work. See? So, I've told you what I want. I expect that to be sent to me. A letter signed by you shows up in my mailbox with those points that I've outlined. Are we clear?
I understand what you're asking for.
Okay. Well, then, if that's the situation, then I'm done speaking with you, and I thank you for your time.
Have a good day.
Yep, bye.